blocking. Block. Go touch.
Baby, oh, we're good. Clear.
Yeah, I'm out.
I'm outside. I'm outside.
Block that.
Yo, you want to just come inside?
Alright, yeah, we're going out.
Copy.
That's only suicide.
Oh shit.
Oh, now they're taking barracks.
Who was that?
It just came from in there.
Oh, go. All right, go.
Brian, block.
Go, I got it. Let's go. All right, Robert, let's go.
We got window.
Second building.
Alright, we can't move up there.
I know, but there's someone in there.
Sorry, I forgot the block.
Sorry. Don't turn up. Rush that. Are you banned? Banned.
And all right, we're good. Let's just pull out.
You block.
Yep.
Ready?
Go. Across.
Hospital?
Across. No. Yeah. Thanks for the tap. Moving it. Contact! Copy. Sharma, let's go.
No.
Hospital.
Colin, do we have it clear?
Sharma, get ready to move.
I'm moving. Where are we moving?
Hospital.
I'm ready.
Guys, pull out the hallway. We're moving to hospital.
Max cover hallway.
I got it. Go.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, pull out. Miles,
Pull me out.
Archer.
Pull out.
Archer.
Yeah.
Let's go. We're pulling out.
Got you.
Let's go. Moving to the hospital. Ready? Go. I'm moving. Archer, cover. Copy. Let's go. Let's go.
No, I think I have to watch this.
All right, fine. Then knock it down.
I got one out.
Look the shoes. Hold on. Archer, lay down covering fire.
I'm back.
We're moving. Friendlies. There might be more.
Yeah, there is.
Yep, they're right there.
I know. Bang!
Bang. The guy got blind fire.
No, Brendan, it's more than 10 feet.
It's fine. Moving.
Better walk in.
Oh shit. Put that speed trigger on. There you go. Yeah. Let's go. Shit. There's too many guys over there. Yo. Where are we
Who's walking? Ready?
Watch that corner.
Yeah.
We going?
Where are we going? Where are we going?
Let's go around the POW.
Ready?
So go around the corner. Go around the corner. All the way. All the way. All the way.
Hit. Hit.
No, this isn't gonna work.
That's not gonna work out.
Get low. What?
He's on the corner.
Let's take
Really, bro?
bikini
I'm pretty sure I hit you, but
and push it somewhere else.
he's right at the bottom corner of the desk.
All right, ready?
Bottom corner of the desk.
Why don't we need one of you to round the corner first? Guys, right around the corner.
Yep.
No, I'm gonna go right. I might be able to go on the outside.
All right, go. We'll hold him here. We'll draw the fire.
All right, ready?
Yeah.
Watch guys here, guys.
Yeah. Are we
You
going?
to round the corner first.
I'm trying.
All right, ready?
Hold on. There's a guy at the bottom of the desk, though.
I got a B.
All right.
I got Thunder B. You
Yeah, toss it.
want me to use it?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, look out. Oh yeah. 3, 2.
Watch suicide wall. Atta boys, that's how we take it. Sev, watch that door.
Just go around the corner and bang bang.
Bang. Let's go, Flux. Come on, move in.
I didn't get my Thunder B.
Oh, fuck. Go. You want to pull out now? I don't know. Sev, come here. Someone. Anyone. Take my spot. I gotta fix something. Put up. Oh, fuck. There's a BB stuck in my leg. Ow. Yeah, there's a BB stuck in my leg.
Stuck in your leg?
Yeah, like it went through my pants.
Is it like under your skin?
No. Well, it was pushing on my knee when I was kneeling down. God damn, that hurt. All right, it's out now. 1 minute, hold it down.
Yeah, Ryan. Red light.
Got you. We can't. Okay. Copy, moving. What? Move.
Should I?
Yo.